This is what the game used to be. This is what the game is now. Hey users, welcome back to another devlog of my indie game Neon Explorers. Today I'm going to show you on what changes I've made and how I changed the game graphics. So let's jump right in. One problem with the game is that it didn't look very good. So I needed someone to fix that for me. So then I found this cool dude named A.K. King. He would help me with the graphics, and my indie game just turned into a team game. The first thing he did was create a post-processing effect in Construct 3. And it's actually more simple than you think. All you have to do is put in adjust HSL, do 0% hue, 120% saturation, and luminosity of 90%. Then all you have to put is an alpha clamp with 100%, 250%, and ratio illustrative blur 25% and 80%. Like I said, not that hard. So the next thing he did was upgrade icons like faster reload, double shot, faster movement speed, and more starting ammo. Another thing that I fixed was the shop system. Before, you'd have to drag things out of the shop to make them work, which was pretty boring, so I made it instead that you have to get a certain amount of enemies killed and then you get to pick from 2 upgrades. Another thing that I did was when you hover over a button, it will grow bigger and it will do this cool effect.
Nice.
I also created this effect where whenever something happened, like on the start of a game, a black screen would come, and yeah, it was just a really cool effect. This actually was pretty easy, as all I had to do was make a bullet and just get the size right to the layout and make a black sprite. Sadly, that's all the time I've got for now. Stay tuned for the next devlog, and bye bye users.